Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your cue inside your Spotify app on your phone. This works for both iOS and Android users. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Okay, the first thing you need to do is open up your Spotify app on your phone and then click onto the song that you're playing. And then from here, the bottom right hand corner of your screen, there'll be 3 horizontal bars. Click into that, and to change the cue here is simply click and hold where you want the songs to be in order. So you just click and hold. So if I want the box to be next, I'll just click and hold, put that up top. If I want smack that to be down the 10th song, just go down like so and add it there. And that's it guys, how to change your cue inside your Spotify app. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and helps us out a lot.